In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted emails in Outlook, whether they're in your deleted items folder or even if you've permanently removed them. This is a super useful skill that can save you from losing important messages, and I'll walk you through every step to get your emails back. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look at the left sidebar where all your folders are displayed. Click on the Deleted Items folder. This is where Outlook stores all the emails you've recently deleted. Take a moment to scroll through this folder and look for the email or emails you want to restore. If you find the email you're looking for here, restoring it is simple. Right-click on the email you want to recover. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, hover over Move and you'll see a list of your folders. Click on Inbox or whichever folder you want to move the email back to. The email will instantly be restored to that folder and you can access it normally again. However, if you don't see the email in your deleted items folder, it may have been permanently deleted. Don't worry, Outlook has a feature to recover these as well. At the top of Outlook, look for the Home tab in the ribbon menu and make sure you're viewing your deleted items folder. In the ribbon, you should see an option called Recover Deleted Items or Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Click on that option. A new window will open showing you emails that have been permanently deleted but are still recoverable from the server. Browse through this list and find the email or emails you want to restore. Click on the email to select it. If you want to restore multiple emails, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click each email you want to recover. Once you've selected all the emails you need, click the Restore button at the top of the window. You may also see an option that says Restore Selected Items depending on your Outlook version. After clicking Restore, the emails will be moved back into your deleted items folder. From there, you can move them to your inbox or any other folder, just like we did earlier. Simply right-click the restored email, choose Move, and select the folder you want. And that's it. You've successfully restored deleted emails in Outlook, whether they were in your deleted items folder or permanently removed. This method works for both Outlook on desktop and Outlook connected to Microsoft 365 or Exchange accounts. If this video helped you recover an important email, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this one.